In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight duplicates. If you are working with a spreadsheet and you want to quickly spot repeated values, this is a really useful formatting trick to know. Instead of manually scanning through a long list, you can use conditional formatting to automatically highlight any duplicates in your data. It's fast, simple, and especially helpful when you're reviewing names, product codes, email lists, or any other column where repeated entries might cause confusion. To begin, highlight the data range or the column that you want to check for duplicates. This part is important because the formatting rule will only apply to the cells you select. So if you only want to scan one column, select just that column of data. If you're checking a specific section of your sheet, make sure the highlighted range matches exactly what you want to analyze. Once your range is selected, go to the top menu, click Format, and then choose Conditional Formatting. This opens the Conditional Formatting panel, where you can create rules that automatically change the appearance of cells based on their contents. In that panel, look for the section labeled Format Cells If. Open that drop-down menu, scroll all the way to the bottom and select Custom Formula Is. This option lets you use your own formula to decide which cells should be highlighted, which gives you much more control than the standard preset options. Now enter this formula, equals count if open parenthesis a:/, comma, a1, close parenthesis, greater than 1. In spreadsheet form, that is written as equals count if. Then a colon, a comma a1, then greater than 1. This formula checks how many times the value in the current cell appears in column A. If that value appears more than once, the formula returns true, and the duplicate gets highlighted. If your data is not in column A, be sure to adjust the formula to match your actual column. Also, the starting cell reference should match the first row of your selected range. That way, the rule works correctly across the entire selection. After that, choose the highlight color you want to use. Pick something that stands out clearly so duplicates are easy to identify at a glance. Then click Done to apply the rule. As soon as you do that, any duplicate values in your selected range will be highlighted automatically. This makes it much easier to review your data, clean up repeated entries, and avoid mistakes in your spreadsheet.